As we already see in the last video, to determine the zero of piece, the next step is a little bit more easy. It's just to get into coding what we want to do in our piece. Here is an example of how the code can be done. It's very important to have some principal steps or some principal characteristics in our coding. The first is the technological data. This is a principal point. Then, one of the most important parts of our code is our security point. This is made for start outside the piece, so we didn't start to drilling or doing the process inside the piece or while we are touching the piece. This is just as the name said, a security point. And for example, this is made at the standardization of 5 millimeters uh, uh, in each axis, and X, Y, and Z. It's 5 millimeters outside the piece. Then you need to understand about coding. You in this type of coding, there are commands already determined by machine. The commands are made for linear movements, round movements, semicircle movements. Each one has a specific way of move from left to right, right to left, etc. And this is because we need to understand how does all about this works. We here are presenting an example of how we code our career's name in this simulation. We have our code here in the example, so you can see a little bit quickly. Then we can see the simulation. Here's a really quick explanation of how our code works, and it's very important that you guys know that simulation is really, really important as a previous part step um, before the action of the machine.
Hello everybody, this is our program. In this part is for the letter E, this part is for the letter M, and this part is for the letter Zeta, and this is for finishing our program. Well, we start the simulation.